Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is NCK2310. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here showing you Stockholm, and now we are at Östermalm. Östermalm is one of the best places in Stockholm. It's expensive area, one of the most expensive area here in Stockholm, called Östermalm. So let me show you a little bit of it. So we've just left, for those who just watched my video, we've left the other area where there's the castle and the Grand Hotel, and now we are here at Östermalm. Okay, let me show you a little bit of it. It's raining, so I can just show you a little bit of it, the things that I remember. There used to be one of our favorite hotel. What used to be the name of this hotel? Huh? Strand Hotel. There where you see the flags. Spent there many times at Strand Hotel. Now it's green and you can cross over. So now you're in Östermalm. And try to zoom for you a little bit. It's raining, but I'm trying to do the best for you. So that's Östermalm. You know, when you're living over there, like even the apartments there, they're so expensive, very expensive. So here we go, that's Östermalm. So now we can just take a walk a little bit together. We can walk a little bit. I can show you a little bit as well. This is Östermalm on a rainy day. Östermalm in Stockholm on a rainy day. During summertime, there are many boats over here, you know, but now winter has finished, so soon people will at last start to come with their nice boats. You put them there, you know, you can travel around Stockholm with boats. Very nice. So this is Östermalm in Stockholm. Stockholm is so beautiful. I used to live there 15 years, but due to work I had to move away. But sooner or later we'll come move back because we still have place here. Yes. Beautiful city. Östermalm in Stockholm. You know, the trees look like this because winter has just finished. Usually it's green and nice and it's beautiful. So the trees are not dead. Don't think the trees are dead. The trees will come up again. Yes. So here we are, Östermalm in Stockholm. On a rainy day. Those joining in, this is NCK2310, and I'm showing you Östermalm in Stockholm. Stockholm is the capital city of Sweden, the heart of Sweden. Okay, let's continue. So I'm gonna cross soon, because soon we're gonna go to Fika. Fika means to eat something sweet a little bit, maybe some warm. It's green, when it's green then we can, yes. Stockholm on a rainy day. I hope you're enjoying the walk with me, walking in the rain in Stockholm City, in Sweden. so we wait a little bit. Now we go a little bit inside the city. Today is the 14th of March 2026 and it's raining in Stockholm. We're waiting when it's red, we've got to wait till it's green. So I'm walking with you inside Stockholm in the city. It's green. When it's green, we walk. When it's red, we stop. Very beautiful. Now we are inside. We're walking inside the streets of Stockholm city. All right, for those who just joined in, welcome NCK2310. Enjoy the video and please don't forget to support me. You can touch, you can like, comment and share as well. Until the next video. Bye bye.